Polyurethane is definitely one of the most universal plastics. It plays a very important role in the industry, which makes use of its greatest advantages, including high resistance to abrasion, tear and cuts, resistance to chemicals, and low weight. Especially when you want to protect easily corroding and noise-generating metals against premature wear. This is the process of manufacturing polyurethane coatings, later used in the furniture, paper, machine, steel, and automotive sectors. It is very demanding and requires the use of the latest technologies. We are going to take a look at it at Asma Polska, the company near Warsaw, which we are visiting once again. During the last 3 years, Asma Polska has implemented numerous investments and important organizational changes and reached many interesting sales markets. With our strategy focused on continuous development and constant optimizing of the process, we remain a leader in the polyurethane sector. First, we will find out how durable polyurethane wheels are made, designated, for example, for the machinery industry. Here, we can see an automated station for their processing. On the line, excess material remaining from the pouring is removed. The process is fully automated and performed using robots. The second robot transfers the finished wheels to the quality control station. Here, their dimensions are checked. The automation places wheels of good quality onto a conveyor and rejects those with visible defects. Finally, the axles are pressed into the wheels. Now we will see how the coatings on the metal wheels covered with Volcolan are regenerated. It is a very durable type of polyurethane, used, for example, in the heavily loaded carts used at glassworks. First, the old coating is removed with a turning tool. After adhesion promoter is applied, a pouring machine puts a layer of Volcolan on. Here we can see how polyurethane sieves for various screens are manufactured. They are characterized by high durability, great resistance to wear, and sieving precision. The plastic mat, manufactured earlier, is perforated. The mat will be used for sieving during the sorting of waste, aggregates, and broken glass. Now we will see how gravel pumps, the devices pumping water mixed with sand, stones, and clods of earth, are produced. First, the old coating is removed. Before a new one is applied, the body is transferred for sanding. The pumps work under very heavy mechanical load, so the polyurethane coating protects the body against the wear. Its regeneration ensures that no money needs to be spent on a new body. After applying the adhesion promoter and heating, the pump body is inserted into a mold and polyurethane is poured inside. This way, the durable layer of this plastic is formed. But its uses do not end here. Here we can see it being poured into pipes for the transport of bulk material like cereals. This coating protects the pipes against premature wear. It also has anti-static properties, so it prevents possible ignition and explosions. Finally, we will take a look at several other processes. Here we can see processing of a varnishing roller that will be used to coat furniture fronts. After pouring, the surface roughness is measured. I think nobody can doubt that polymer products and protective coatings offer unlimited range of applications. It is a real polyurethane mania.